Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Creating a Python Library, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. Python's simplicity and versatility make it a popular choice for developing software. One powerful aspect of Python is its ability to create and use libraries, which are collections of reusable code that can be easily integrated into various projects. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process of creating your Python library, covering key concepts and providing a practical example. Table of Contents. A Python library is a collection of modules or packages containing functions, classes, and variables that can be used in other programs. Libraries enhance code modularity, reusability, and maintainability. Before you start creating your library, ensure you have Python installed on your system. Additionally, consider using a virtual environment to manage dependencies and isolate your project. Define the purpose and scope of your library. Identify the key functionalities it will provide and plan the structure of your code accordingly. Create a directory for your library and start writing the code. For example, let's create a simple library called math_operations. Use docstrings to document your code. This documentation serves as a guide for users and developers who will be using your library. To package your library, create a setup.py file in your library directory. This file contains metadata about your library. Write unit tests to ensure the correctness of your library. Use the built-in unitest module or other testing frameworks like ptest. Publish your library on the Python package index, PyPI, to make it accessible to others. Use the Twine tool to upload your package. Congratulations! You've created a Python library. Document your library well, maintain it regularly, and consider community feedback to make it even better. Python libraries play a crucial role in the open source ecosystem, and your contribution can benefit others in the Python community. ChatGPT.